Ano sa'yo ang musika? Sa'yo ba'y mahalaga?
I love this song.
Matahimik mong paligid, awitan na hindi matinig. Mapalad ka o kaibigan, napakaingay ng mundo. Sa isang pinging katulad mo, walang daing, walang gulo. Di nalalayo sa'yo ang tunay na mundo. Marami sa amin nabubuhay ng tulad mo. Magila di madinig, minsa'y nauutan patungo sa hinahangad na buhay na banal. Di makita, di madinig, minsa'y nauutan patungo sa hinahangad na buhay na banal.
Kumikot na rin! I thought that was good.
Anong pangalan mo?
Bernard Padato po.
Ilan taong ka na, Bernard?
12 years old po.
Kanino mo dinededicate yung kanta mo?
Kay Papa po.
Yeah!
So, lagi kayong magkasamang kumakanta.
Opo.
Ang ganda ng kantang pinili mo. Ang ganda rin ng timbre ng boses mo. It's a big...
It's natural,
It's a big,
it's beautiful.
natural, big,
Naturally
beautiful
loud.
voice.
Yeah.
I don't think I've had a voice like yours yet.
I thought you sang beautifully. I don't know why it took them
I was
so
just-
long.
I had to
I'm like,
appreciate
what's
it
taking these
first?
guys so long? Why? Pero ako,
Wow, judgmental.
dito pa rin. Yes, because he deserves this. He deserved a 3-chair turn.
Yes, you do.
Ang daming pwedeng gawin sa boses mo. At isa pa, sana mabigyan mo rin ako ng pagkakataon na ma-handle ka kasi I need you.
I need you too, Brownie!
We all need you.
Kailangan kita ngayon at kailanman.
Let me complete you as an artist eh. Andito ka na eh. Kompleto ka na eh. Musikero ka!
Ang pipiliin ko pong coach ay si Coach
Drum roll, please!
Coach Bamboo.
Thank you, sir. Gusto ko lang tawagin yung champion ko lang. Palabas ng trophy nga. Pakita ng trophy. Palabas na rin yung trophy. I'm very proud of her. I'm very proud.
Thank you po.
Yeah. Sample naman! Come on, dudes!
I feel good.
Yay!
I feel nice.
Tuso?
I've never been
Tuso?
so
Tuso? Ang sarap.
satisfied.
Di ba?
I'm in love. I'm alive. Intoxicated.
Ramdaman mo na.
Going high. It feels like a dream when you touch me tenderly. Oh, I don't know if it's real, but I like the way it feels.
Man, Ella, pakibigay sa kanya the scarf. Thank you very much, Ella. Pass on the blessings.
Coach Bang, pwedeng mahawakan yan?
Here you go. This is what we all want, right? This
I
changes
know.
lives.
Can I hold
Yes, you
it?
can.
Go for it.
Po.
Yes.
Wala akong ganito eh. Hindi.
Give it back, please.
Ang
Give it back.
ganda.
Pakibalik.
Mapupunta to sa susunod na Grand Champion.
Thank you very much. Salamat.
Galing sa team
you.
ko. I want that. I want
Wow,
that.
si Ella pa. This is a good sign, my friend. All right.
Bilib ako sa'yo.
Anong pakiramdam mo nung nahawakan mo yung trophy ng The Voice Kids? Para mas naging inspirado ka. Congratulations sa inyo. Magkikita pa tayo. Okay po?
Opo.
Congrats, bro.